Are you confused between the old tax regime and the new tax regime? You are not alone. Every year, millions of taxpayers struggle to decide which option will save them more money. Should you choose lower tax rates or more deductions? In this video, I will explain the difference in the simplest way possible so that you can make the right choice. What is the old tax regime? The old tax regime allows you to claim deductions and exemptions. You can save tax through investments under Section 80C, health insurance under Section 80D, home loan interest, HRA, and many other benefits. But it also requires proper planning and documentation. Think of it as a regime that rewards savings and investments. What is the new tax regime? The new tax regime offers lower tax rates and simpler filing. But in return, you give up most deductions and exemptions. This regime is suitable for people who don't invest much or don't want to maintain many documents. Simple and hassle-free. Who should choose the old tax regime? The old tax regime is usually better for people who claim many deductions. If you invest under Section 80C, pay health insurance premium, receive HRA benefits, or have a home loan, the old tax regime may help you save more tax. The more deduction you have, the more useful the old regime becomes. Who should choose the new tax regime? The new tax regime is suitable for people who have very few deductions. If you don't have a home loan, don't invest much, and prefer simplicity, then the new regime may be better for you. Lower tax rates and fewer deductions make life easier. Let's now understand with a simple example. Suppose two people earn the same salary. One person has home loan benefits, insurance, and investments. The other person has almost no deduction. The first person may benefit from the old tax regime. The second person may save more under the new tax regime. So, the best regime depends on your personal situation. Let's now quickly revise. The old tax regime offers more deductions and rewards investments. The new tax regime offers lower tax rates and simpler filing. There is no single best option for everyone. Choose the one that helps you save more tax. And if you found this video useful, subscribe for more simple finance and tax tips.